What's going on, guys? It's Gaming with Gator, and we have the last week of our Pick My Winter Project series. So I'm going to give this one more week, put this video out. It's down to 3 choices, so nobody voted for the snowmobile, which is fine. So the first one, like I say, is this 1983 Suzuki 185cc. Rip it apart, see what is wrong with it, see why it's got no compression. Test the compression first, see what it's at, because I'm a little curious. So that'll be basically option number 1. Now we'll go and take a look here at option number 2. So option number 2 is this little go-kart. Now as you can see, the snow is kind of flying, so it's time to pick. Basically, option number 2 is the go-kart. We're going to pull the engine off, sandblast the frame, put a new brake system on it, new chain, new throttle cable. Basically get this thing in perfect running order, extend the steering wheel up a little bit, and get it so we can run some laps. We'll find a track or some land somewhere so we can run some laps and see how fast it really is. Now option number 3 is the 2000 Chevy Blazer. This is still an option. It's basically it's in this state as it sits. It'll run with a jump start, but she needs some work. But we're going to be the ones to do it. Got some ice on her already, some dirt, needs a pressure wash, needs completely gone through. So those are your 3 options. As of right now, you have one more week to choose. Snowmobile's out, go-kart, 185 and Blazer. What's going to be the winter series? It's up to you.